Oh, buddy. I know. I won't be long. You're gonna be fine. Mom's right here inside. I'll be back before dinner, promise. Love you too. Let go, big guy. Door. I'll be back in a little bit, okay? Come on, let me go.
I just a baby.
But you still had to say, okay, Mom.
I just a baby.
Your pet is Clingy.
Can we watch TV in peace? Can we watch TV, please, please?
Do you miss your mom? Yeah, I think.
Look at my.
Look at me! Nigga, stand up!
What? No.
You couldn't take 2 minutes?
Can't just keep him where you want him.